Hello guys, mag-unbox ta aning air fryer gikan sa Shopee. Ang supplier ani si
Nicolas. Steven.
supplier is ang sindan si Nicolas Steven ang akong bata. Ang seller is Hawaii Home.
Look.
Ang ilang address sa Kanluran, Barangay Juntin, Tondo, Manila 1, Metro Manila, Barangay 126. Excited kayong bata. Abangan to, lady. There we go. Product name air fryer. Model number BW1011. Power 1350 watts. Box size 13, and 345. Capacity is 4 liter. Come here, Sian. Nawakan.
Wow, ano yung TV?
Hindi ano eh. Nah, wait. Wait, you have to read this first. Please preheat the air fryer 30 minutes when firstly used. Do not touch the hot surface when using. 30 minutes. You have to preheat this for 30 minutes with empty inside. Sudah. Put it in. I don't cover the juice. Put the air and then lower the stand. Come. Help me. Let me put this one. Push it until at the end. There's an extra one. Also an extra one. Give me that one. There's an extra they give us. Trying to preheat this one.
Doesn't fit.
Doesn't fit the door that we have. Try it. I don't know. It's fit in our adapter. You have to try to preheat this one. There you go. We have to time this for 30 minutes. How many degree you have to try?
100.
160?
Bau!
Butong.
Butong.
We have to put the preheat for 30 minutes in 160.